Having trouble activating your Simple Mobile service? Don't worry, it's a common issue and often easily resolved. Let's break down the core reasons why activation might fail and how to fix them. The most frequent culprits are related to your SIM, physical or eSIM, your phone's IMEI number, and the provisioning process on Simple Mobile's end. Simple Mobile is an MVNO that runs on T-Mobile towers, so coverage depends on T-Mobile's network across the US. First, check your SIM card. For physical SIM, ensure it's properly inserted and not damaged. For eSIM, make sure your device is compatible. Next, verify your IMEI number. Dial 6 or check your phone settings to find it. Ensure it's not blacklisted and matches Simple Mobile's records. Finally, the provisioning process assigns network credentials. If it fails, try restarting your device or contacting support. Simple Mobile has AI-driven diagnostic tools to help resolve issues. We'll explore each of these areas in detail to get you connected quickly. First, ensure your device is compatible. For eSIM, you'll need Android 9 or higher, or iOS 12.1 or later. Next, double-check your IMEI by dialing *#06 on your phone. Make sure it's entered correctly in the Simple Mobile app during activation. An incorrect or blacklisted IMEI will cause failure. For eSIM activation, use the Simple Mobile app and follow the prompts to complete the setup. For physical SIM, insert the card into your device and follow the on-screen instructions to activate. If you see errors like activation pending or IMEI not recognized, restart your device, check your network signal, and if problems persist, contact Simple Mobile support. Provisioning delays are less frequent now thanks to automated systems, but can still occur, particularly in rural areas with spotty coverage. Consider using a Wi-Fi hotspot during initial setup to avoid signal-related issues. Wait up to 60 minutes for full activation, and if all else fails, contact Simple Mobile support for assistance.